All right, welcome to this professionally managed building in an awesome part of Cambridge. All right, so there's a super on site. There's laundry in the basement, elevator. Well, we actually happen to be on the first floor or second. I can double check that information for you. All right, so we see here bathroom, tub, shower, clawfoot tub, vanity, sink, toilet. It's got some beautiful hardwood floors in the foyer here and throughout. A small little closet right here. You could easily turn that into like a coat closet or something. Another little storage space right there. Headed over into the first bedroom, okay? Good sized window. Irregular sized closet, but pretty decent storage, good size. Back into the foyer and into the second bedroom. Now, at one point, I'm sure this was maybe the dining room. We see some French doors there, but obviously you can keep those closed and just use one entrance as a bedroom. All right, but those are definitely a nice little feature to have, the French doors. A window facing the side of the building. A couple more windows right here. All right. Let's go through one of those French doors. Check it out. Oh, look at that. I feel like French fries. So this is the living room, okay? Built-in hutch, shelf, some storage below. Radiator heating means that the heat and hot water are included in the rent. Some windows facing the side of the next building over, okay? It's just a great looking apartment. And here we have the kitchen, good sized kitchen. All right, fridge, some more windows, nice good ledge right here. All right, gas stove, some vintage deep sinks right there. Built-in shelves, counter space. And plenty of space to set up more counter space in the kitchen. That's the rear exit, fire exit. Yeah, and it looks like we're like well above the street level, in case that was a concern. Hope you enjoyed our video walkthrough. My name is Angel with Leopold McMasters. Just email me or call if you have any other questions. Have a good one. Hope you enjoy the video tour.